In this video, I'm going to show you how to create backups in CPanel on Namecheap, step by step, so you can safely protect your website files before making any major changes. Backups are one of the most important things you can do for your website, because if something breaks, gets deleted, or a plugin update causes problems, you can restore your site much faster. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your hosting services and go to Hosting List. From there, find the hosting plan you want to back up and click Go to CPanel. This will open your CPanel control panel where you can manage your website files, emails, databases, and backups. Now inside CPanel, look for the Files section. Depending on your CPanel layout, you may see either Backup or Backup Wizard. Either option will help you create a backup, but the Backup Wizard is usually easier if you want a guided process. If you see Backup, click that. If you see Backup Wizard, click that instead. Next, choose whether you want a partial backup or a full backup. A full backup is the safest option because it saves more of your account data, including files, databases, and settings. If you only need certain parts of your site, you can choose a partial backup. But for most users, full backup is the better choice. After that, choose the backup destination. In most cases, you can leave this set to home directory. That means CPanel will store the backup file inside your hosting account until you download it. If the system gives you the option to enter an email address, you can add one here if you want to be notified when the backup is complete. This is helpful if the backup takes a while and you don't want to keep checking manually. Once everything is set, click Generate Backup. At this point, CPanel will begin creating the backup file, and depending on the size of your website, this can take a few minutes or longer. So be patient and let the process finish. Do not close the page too early unless CPanel confirms that the backup has started successfully. When the backup is complete, the file will usually be saved in your home directory. To find it, go back to CPanel and open File Manager. Then go into the home directory and look for the backup archive file that CPanel generated. Once you find it, you can download it to your computer for safekeeping. I strongly recommend saving a copy both on your computer and in a cloud storage service, just in case you ever need it later. And that's it. You've now learned how to create backups in CPanel on Namecheap. This is a simple habit that can save you a lot of stress later on, especially if you manage an important website. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more tutorials for website beginners. Thanks for watching.